everybody, my name is Insha and you are watching IELTS Anika. So I'm back with another video and this video is about vocabulary, okay? So do watch it till the end. So आज की वीडियो है about speaking phrases and connectors that we can use in a section 3 of speaking. For those who do not know speaking, a bit of introduction. Speaking में 3 sections होती हैं. Section 1 is a interview round or a question answer round, okay? Section 2 is a cue card round in which a cue card is given to you and you have to talk about it. And section 3 is about follow-ups, okay? Follow-up questions. And we are going to talk about section 3 and the vocabulary that we can use in section 3, okay? So we have a handful of vocabulary with us, okay? For example, we can use yes, no, I think so. Mostly यही 3 words हैं जो बार बार repeat होते हैं हमारे section 3 में. So what can we use in place of these words to enhance our vocabulary and to increase our score, okay? So today I'm going to tell you different situations और उन्हीं situations के accordingly हम words देखेंगे and वो words use करके we'll make sentences, okay? So let's start. Good. The first one is giving opinions. So whenever we give opinions, either it's yes or no, okay? Yes, I like to do that, no, I don't, okay? Something like that. There are many ways of saying yes and no also. हम yes को of course भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? No को no, I don't think so. Mostly this only, okay? So how can we say in other ways? So the first is negative opinions. Whenever we are giving a negative opinion, we can say well, to be honest, or honestly, okay? And on the other hand, whenever we are giving a positive opinion, we can say absolutely or without a doubt, okay? So let's do it with the help of an example. Do you like going to art centers? Well, to be honest, I have never been to an art center as I have no interest in art, okay? Or honestly, I have never been to an art center as I have no interest in art, okay? अब इसी को अगर मुझे पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो आई कैन से विदाउट अ डाउट आई हैव बीन टू वेरियस आर्ट सेंटर्स एज पेंटिंग इज माई फेवरेट हॉबी, okay? Or absolutely, I love visiting art centers as painting is my favorite hobby, okay? So these are the words that you can use when you have a negative or a positive opinion, okay? So let's do some more phrases which we can use in positive and negative. The next one is positive opinion के लिए we can use yeah, I reckon it's essential, okay? Yeah or yes I reckon it's essential, or yep, I reckon it's essential, or for sure, in my view, or yes, yep, yeah. So how can we put it in examples? For example, the question is, do you think alcohol has medicinal properties? Yeah, I reckon it's an essential ingredient in medicines, okay? So this is something new for you. You can use it. Yeah, I reckon it's essential ingredient in medicines, okay? Something like that. Or for sure, alcohol has a lot of medicinal properties. Or for sure, alcohol was used in ancient times as a medicine, okay? Now if you're not sure about it, if you're not sure about your answer, you can use I guess so or I suppose so. So same question, do you think alcohol has medicinal properties? You can say I guess so, but I'm not sure about it, okay? I guess so, alcohol has some medicinal properties, but I'm not aware about them, okay? Or I suppose so, alcohol has some medicinal properties, but I'm not aware about them, okay? So this was your giving positive, negative and doubtful opinions, ठीक है? तो now coming on to the next type of question, that is beginning, how to begin an answer, ठीक है? How to begin an answer. Now beginning के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. हम mostly use करते हैं well, okay? I think that these two are like most you can say overrated words that are used हम जब begin करते हैं कोई भी answer. Now in place of these we can use well first of all, okay? Or well to kick off, जिसे हम kick करते हैं ना ball को, तो kick off, start off. To start off we can say to kick off, okay? Or for starters. So these two are new for you. To kick off, well, to kick off, or for starters. So these are the two you can say phrases that we can use in the beginning of the answer to make it more attractive, or you can say examiner को impress करने के लिए, okay? So let's do it with the help of an example. What are the advantages of traveling by plane? For starters, it is the fastest mode of travel. Or well, to kick off, it is the fastest mode of travel. Okay, now you want to add information to it. ठीक है, you have already given me one statement, अब आपको add information करनी है, तो हम मोस्टली क्या यूज़ करते हैं, मोर ओवर. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टर. पीपल हु डोंट यूज इट, प्लीज यूज इट. मोर ओवर मतलब इज इन एडिशन टू इट. वट एल्स वी कैन यूज इन एडिशन टू इट. ओके, और बिसाइड्स दैट, apart from that. Okay, besides that, apart from that, it is the you can say it is not that costly, it is economical. Okay, besides that, in addition to it, moreover, or you can say another thing is. Okay, another thing is, or on top of that, on top of that. Okay, let's do it with an example. Same question, what are the advantages of traveling by plane? Well, to kick off, it is the fastest mode of travel. On top of that, it is economical. Okay, or moreover, it is economical. Or you can say on another thing is, it is more economical than your car. Okay, for the same distance traveled. So this is how you can combine these phrases into one answer and make it look attractive. Okay, got it. So the next one is emphasizing. When we need to emphasize something, a point, किसी एक point को emphasize करना है, this you can use in your cue card also, because cue card में हम बहुत emphasizing करते हैं. ठीक है, because we are telling a story, right? So emphasize करना है किसी point को, तो there's one very good phrase that is hands down. Hands down means for sure. ठीक है, और like undoubtedly और for sure same meaning, hands down. but hands down जो है वो end में use होता है, at the end of the line. For example, she could win a race hands down, like that. Okay, she could win a race, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना period, so period में तो full stop, इसके आगे कोई discussion हो ही नहीं सकती. तो she could win a race hands down. This is called emphasizing. Okay, other words that you can use, or phrases that you can use to emphasize are, and here's the thing, and here's the thing, she could win any race. Okay, actually she could win any race, or as a matter of fact, she could win any race, or in fact. Okay, what are the words for emphasizing? Hands down, as a matter of fact, in fact, then and here's the thing, and actually. Okay, so these are the 5 words that you can use, or 5 phrases that you can use to emphasize on a particular thing in your cue card also, and in your section 3 also. Okay, so then there are questions like in which are very broad. Okay, क्वेश्चंस जिसमें हम बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं बट हमें पता नहीं होता क्या बोलना है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द क्वेश्चन इज, वाई डू सम पीपल डोंट लाइक म्यूजिक. ओके, और वाई डू सम पीपल डोंट लाइक ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक और कॉन्सर्ट्स. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे सम पीपल आ गया ना. if I'm talking about, there are so many kinds of people here. ठीक है, तो what you can do is you can constrict your answer to one set of people. Now there are different sets of people. There are youngsters, children, adolescents or teenagers, adults, then older people or elder people. Okay, so you can talk about one set of people. Okay, if I talk about younger people, okay, they dislike it because of the new rap music, like that. Okay, if I talk about older people, they don't like it because they love slow songs. Okay, so this is how you can limit your answer. You can say you can reduce the wavelength or the bandwidth of the answer, ताकि आप एक सेट में हो, दो कंफ्यूज ना हो कि मैं इसमें क्या बोलूँ. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग. जब भी आपको अपनी ही स्टेटमेंट को कॉन्ट्रास्ट करना हो या कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करना हो, तब कैसे करना है? मोस्टली हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हाउएवर. नाउ हाउएवर इज़ अ वर्ड दैट वी यूज़ जब हमें कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करना होता है पिछली स्टेटमेंट से. ठीक है, अदर वर्ड्स दैट वी कैन यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ हाउएवर आर दैट सेड. ओके, और माइंड यू, और एट द सेम टाइम, that said, mind you, however. These are the 4 words that we can use to contradict a statement that we have already said. For example, why do some people migrate to city from countryside? If we are talking about young people, they migrate for better jobs and lifestyle. That said, many youngsters are content staying in countryside. Okay, because they have their families there. Or at the same time, many youngsters prefer staying in countryside because of good atmosphere, because of clean air, like that. Okay, so this is how you can contradict your statement and make a good answer. ठीक है. So these are the phrases that you can use in your speaking and make it better, make it look better, make it sound better, and this way you can get good score in your speaking. So do practice it. And yes, you can click on the link below and it will take to you to my website, and you can check all the examples and all the phrases there, and you can copy down from there if you want. Okay, so thank you, keep learning and keep watching.